Hello, my name is Dr. Hun Jae-jo. I used to teach at UOP in San Francisco. I was a tenure program director at UOP orthodontic department. I was involved developing 3D technology since 2004. I was very lucky to develop ON3D software, and it will embrace full spectrum of clinical dentistry. And today, I'd like to invite you all our complimentary surgery case conference. It will start January 10th, Saturday, 5 p.m. Eastern Time, 2 p.m. Pacific Time, probably about an hour. And it will be very interesting surgery case, and it will include a 3D diagnosis and treatment planning technology. In the lecture, you will encounter interesting 3D surgery technology, and it will be very efficient and precise tool. I'd like to meet you all. Thank you.